Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of a complete HTML and CSS course. So in this video I'm going to talk about the border in CSS. Before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. The CSS border properties allows you to specify the style, width and the color of an element's border. By using the border attribute, we can specify the style for our element. So here you can see that there is a paragraph p element. So I'm going to add some style into this border style. So here I'm going to target the p element, and inside the p element I'm going to use the border attribute and border dash style. Here you can see, here is the style attribute, border style, and as you can see there is a tons of a list. So this will tell us that what kind of style you want to add to your elements border. So I'm going to use the dashed, the first one, and let's save this and let's jump over the page, and you can see this is called the dashed border style. So we're going to test other one as well. So the next we have dotted value. So when we click on this, and let's save this and let's refresh the page, as you can see border style changed to the dotted. So try to play with these values and select whatever value you prefer for your elements border. And now let's jump over to the second part, which will be the width of the border. And here you can see the width attribute, border width attribute. Here you can select the which kind of width you want to prefer, whether it's medium, thin, and inherent. So I'm going to select this with a pixel, so it will be 10 px, and add semicolon, and first let's add another border style, border style, and I'm going to use a solid one so it will clearly display on the screen. And as you can see, this border width is 10 pixels. So when we remove this 10 by 5 and let's save this, now let's refresh the page. So as you can see, it's displayed a little bit thin than before one. So this is the use of the border width. You can increase and decrease the width of the border using this border width attribute. So the next we have to use the color attribute for the border. So the border, here you can see the border width, the border color. So I'm going to use the light blue color, and let's save this. So as you can see, it is black right now. So when I refresh the page, and now it's changed to the light blue color. So here you can use the text color and every type of color you prefer, whether it's RGB, RGBA color, hexadecimal color, type color you prefer, you can use here. Another topic that we have is border side, whether it's left or right, top or bottom. So I'm going to use the left, and here you can specify what kind of style you want it. So I'm going to add dotted, and now let's refresh the page, and as you can see our left corner is dotted, and here you can, instead of left, you can add right. Let's save this. Now let's refresh, and you can see it's right. If you add this onto the top, the top border will change to the dotted. And try to play with these values. And the next we have the border radius. So border radius is another attribute for changing the corner of the border. So now let me add 10px here. You can specify with the pixels, and first, so as you can see these corners, and when I refresh the page, and you can see now the corners are changed to the round. So when I remove this from here, let's save this, and now let's refresh. So as you can see, these corners change to the round shape corner. So this is the use of border radius. And the last, we have the shorten border attribute. Like we had in the background shorten background property, here we also have the shorten for border. So you can specify everything by using the border in just one line that we have specified here with 4 lines. And here we can see, so we can say border 10px solid, or we can say black. And now let's remove these three, and let's save this. And when we refresh the page, as you can see, the same changes added to the border. So this is the uses of the shortened border attribute. So hope you understand the uses of the border. So thank you guys for watching. Try to play with these values, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you have any question, any suggestion, please leave a comment below. Stay in touch with us.